So here we are at Wert, Carts and More at 883 North Washington Street in the great town of Van Wert, Ohio. Phone number 419-238-2732. What we're looking at here is a gorgeous 2020 brand new EZGO Express S4 EFI electronically fuel injected with the Inferno Red Body. Boy, is this pretty. Again, it's a 2020 fuel injected Express S4, which comes standard with a 5-inch lift kit from the factory, a front brush guard, headlights, tail lights, brake lights. Again, has the 5-inch lift kit. Comes standard with the 14-inch SS wheels with a 23 by 10 by 14 Desert Eagle all-terrain tire. They do come with the front fender flares, keeps the mud from coming up and hitting the riders in the front seat here. Does have a fuel gauge, and it does have the extended overhead roof with the rear grab bar. They do come with the rear seat. Pull that down, now you have yourself a rear cargo area. Pull up on the strap here. Now you have your 4-passenger seating capacity again. Boy, is this sharp. Again, it is a 2020. We did upgrade to the Bazooka stereo system. Very, very nice sound system. Does have LED lights on it. So very, very cool cart. Hop on here. Again, fuel injected, don't have to worry about pulling the choke on it. And we're going to go for a little spin here. And turn around. Off we go. Well, I tell you, what a beautiful day here. October 1st. Just a gorgeous day. Riding on a gorgeous cart. The best place to buy a golf cart here in Van Wert. Van Wert Carts and More. Again, 2020 EZGO Express S4 fuel injected. Gorgeous cart. We did upgrade with the Bazooka stereo system. Hey, get out here. 883 North Washington Street. Give us a call, 419-238-2732. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we look forward to meeting y'all.